Okay, today we're here at KFC and we're here to try their, it's really just the sauce, buffalo sauce, buffalo ranch sauce. But you can put it on chicken tenders or chicken. This is the meal. So it came with 3 tenders, so I got the 3-piece meal, a biscuit, and we got fries with ours. And then it comes with a drink too. So I chose this is exclusive to KFC. It's the Mountain Dew Sweet Lightning. So let's try this out. Oh, it's kind of peach flavored. That's not bad. That's a weird, like bright orangey yellow. So they've had that for a while, the Sweet Lightning, but we just never reviewed it. Okay, so this is the Buffalo Ranch. Well, this is also kind of a bright orange. So let's see how this tastes. Oh, let's see. Get the tender. What's it that Ian says? No. The endorsement. I dip, you dip, we dip. I think they just made these. It's pretty hot. Oh. Hot. Temperature heat. There's that buffalo taste. The heat, the spicy heat's starting to build. That sauce is pretty good. If you like buffalo sauce, just a little bit of heat. Not a whole lot, but it might build as you eat more. Let me try a fry with this. They gave me 2 sauces, so I could use some of it. I don't know if we ever reviewed their fries too, because they're kind of new too. Over the last couple years. Actually goes well with the fries. So the chicken's pretty tender. Hot. Still hot. And then there's the biscuit, which is usually good with butter and honey, which they actually give you. They give you packets. Well, honey sauce, not real honey, I don't think. And buttery spread. So yeah, if you want to come to KFC and try their new Buffalo Ranch sauce, this 3-piece meal was $10.29 for us. Other parts of the country it might be a little more or less. Our prices tend to be a lot higher than like the Midwest. So yeah, the sauce is pretty good. I like it. KFC doesn't come out with many new things, so you know, any new item that they get is kind of something to be celebrated, right? So yeah, if you want to come and try this, I like it. I'm gonna give it, let's see, I'm gonna give it an A. It actually brings the buffalo taste and the heat of the spicy heat of the buffalo sauce. So yeah, I'm gonna give it an A. So anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell and click on all to get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm gonna take another bite and I'll see you in the next one.